Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to change your payment method on TikTok ads. So if you're in the dashboard of your TikTok ads manager over here, this is pretty much what you'll see if you have a brand new account, okay? And what you'll see is they'll give you a welcome page, and here you can set up your payment method. But if you've already gotten a payment method, you've added it in and you'd like to change it now, you'll find this in Tools. And tap on Tools, and under Settings, come all the way down to Finance. And this is where you can change everything about your payment method and all other financial stuff. Over here on the left-hand side, under Finance, you'll see Payment. Go ahead and click on Payment. You'll see this page over here. And here you can see it says Add Payment Method. For me, it's incomplete. However, if it is complete, you'll see the actual payment method there. And then you can just click on Add Now, or the three dots next to that, and you can add or edit. Here, you can click on the credit or debit card option, okay? Depending on your region, you may have other options. Other payment options. It might be PayPal, it might be Google Pay. Whatever it is, you are able to add in here. So select your payment method. If it's a card payment method, a credit or debit card, go ahead and add your card number, expiration date, your security code, and then your cardholder name, the name that's on your actual card. Go ahead and click on Submit. This will now be your new payment method.